Assalamu alaikum everyone, and Bitcoin right now has started at the the reds. I do believe that the bears are now stepping in at the moment. So there's a clear evidence that people are selling Bitcoin using the chart patterns right now. And if we go with the technicals, you have Bitcoin that has been moving up like this. And if you look at the RSI, I've spoken about this RSI divergence. You can see that the prices on the RSI are definitely shooting down. The prices are moving up. You definitely have a very clear sign that things are probably going to rest a little bit right now. So the next place where you want to take a rest for Bitcoin is, of course, the place that you broke above and you never really back tested. I've been keeping an eye on this very particular pattern right there. Okay, this is probably almost like a ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, of course. And a lot of people are saying that, oh, you have this continuation pattern and stuff like that and this and that. I don't know. I don't really think if this is any bull flag, or I don't know. I'm actually not really supporting the idea that this is your flag or a continuation to move higher. I just don't really support it right now. It could be, I could be wrong, but if you end up, so let's entertain that idea. If it's actually a bull flag and you cross this highest wick and close above the highest wick, you probably are going to shoot up to 39k, right? So that's how it is. And for me, I'm just focused on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. I personally believe that this was a channel here, because if you look at it, one, go down, go up, you went down, you went to the sideways, you try to break above, and you went for the retest, but you got rejected, and now you're falling inside that particular channel. So one fake out, the channel continues, and now you're inside the channel to probably even continue to dump to the downside. And for me, if you start to take retracements, I personally believe you're looking for a very big retracement all the way down to 30k or 31k. And then from here, if things go successfully well and Bitcoin does backtest this level, then it could be a huge send-off all the way up to $47,000. Because keep one more thing in mind. This, I'm talking about the 4-hour time frame. When you go into the weekly, Bitcoin is meant to go up to all-time high once again, because you have a very big falling wedge. So you broke above the falling wedge and you are meant to go to $69,000 nonetheless. But how you go there, of course, these are going to be some ups and downs, of course, in the future. Now let's see what happens for Bitcoin, and that's it for this very quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.